Hey guys, I want to give you a quick review and let you know, first of all, why I bought these particular cups and how I feel about them, why I like them. All right, so first of all, go out and do a lot of like walks and stuff with the kids, and we like to have smoothies. I like to make sure they get their fruits in. So these, smoothies is a really easy, convenient way to do it. But sometimes we take out like the big cups that you might have in the kitchen, and you lose them or you have to carry them around. So I really wanted something that was easy, disposable. So I found these ones, and so far, I mean, they've been really good. One of the things I really liked about them is that they come with these individually wrapped straws, right? And if you can see, they have kind of the pointed ends there. So I really like that because it makes it easy, for you to open them up. They open up really easy. They're nice kind of dent straws. Some of them, they're like super flimsy and they bend and break easy. Um, they go into the cups really nice and easy. Really, they're really good quality cups, and the cost per cup, how I factored out, is really good compared to other brands that I found. So, yeah, overall, I really love these and highly recommend them.